Hi friends, let's get started without delay. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Chrome extensions and how to disable extensions in Google Chrome, step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now go to the top right corner and click the three dots. From the menu, move to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Here, you will see all your Google Chrome extensions in one place. If you only want to disable an extension, find the extension you want, then click the blue toggle switch to turn it off. This will disable the extension, but it will stay installed in Chrome. If you want to remove a Chrome extension completely, find the extension and click the Remove button. A small confirmation box will appear. Click Remove again, and the extension will be deleted from Google Chrome. If the Remove button is missing, the extension may be installed by Administrator Settings, Chrome Policy, or Unwanted Software. That's it. Now you know how to remove Chrome extensions and how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. Like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.